Goeiemôre, vandag is dag 7 van die national lockdown. For me it is a privilege to be able to communicate with you, our customers. Ons kyk nog gereeld op Facebook na hoe dinge daar buite in die regte wêreld gebeur. Ons self sit maar van die huis af en werk, behalwe daar waar ons dienste lewer by silo's en by takke wat die landbou bevoordeel. We will continue through this time ensuring that you, our customers, remain kings in our lives and that we can give you the correct level of customer service, but still adhering to the legislation as published by the President. Ons weet dis moeilike tye. As ek kyk na die Facebook foto's, boere wat stroop, raak my hart bly as ek sien party ouens stroop meer as 4 tonne hektaar op sojas. But we also know that there are severe damage, not only soya beans, but in other crops as well. Ons gedagtes is by julle. Ons wil julle die versekering gee dat ons as nasie waardeer die bydrae wat landbou lewer. I think after a year that's been challenging, where expropriation without compensation was a heated debate, now is the time where agriculture can shine and show the country the true worth of food security. Ek dink die debat op die stadium is in die agtergrond geskuif. Ons as Suid-Afrikaners, soos gewoonlik, wanneer daar 'n moeilike ding op ons tafel kom, staan saam. I really believe government and the community in general understand the role agriculture is playing. We understand that agriculture is key not only to the economy, but also to keep the nation fed. And it remains for me a privilege to serve in this industry. It remains something for me to wake up every morning and thank the Lord that He has blessed me with this opportunity. Ons bly dankbaar na ons hemelse Vader wat vir ons die vermoë gee om te kan dien in hierdie tyd. En daarvoor wil ek saam met landbou sê vanmôre, ons sal aanhou om die nasie te voed. Ons sal aanhou om seker te maak dat ons kos in die bord van elke persoon in hierdie land kan kry so goedkoop as moontlik. En dit bly vir ons 'n voorreg. Vir elke boer daar buite wil ek sê dankie. For each farmer, thank you very much for remaining committed through trying times. I want to assure you that we will continue to do our utmost best to portray the positives in agriculture as often as possible. Thank you very much. God bless and have a good day.